Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore a new WhatsApp feature that allows you to easily view your contact-specific chats on your PC. If you've been using WhatsApp on your computer, either through the desktop app or web version, this update is a game changer for quickly filtering chats. Let's dive into the simple steps to use this feature. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Whether you're using the desktop app or WhatsApp web, make sure you're logged in and ready to go. If you haven't set it up yet, simply scan the QR code on your computer screen using the Link Devices option in your mobile app. Once you're in, look at the top of the chat list. You'll notice a search bar with a small filter icon right next to it. This is the key to accessing your contact-specific chats. Click on the filter icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Contact. This will instantly filter your chats and display only those associated with specific contacts. It's a quick way to organize your conversations and focus on personal or professional communication without distractions from group chats or other types of messages. And that's it. With just 3 simple steps, opening WhatsApp, clicking the filter icon, and choosing Contact, you can streamline your chat experience on WhatsApp for PC. This feature is especially useful for managing busy chat lists and finding important conversations quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.